ऋषि कपूर को किया गया हॉस्पिटलाइज। सोर्सेस के मुताबिक ऋषि कपूर को ए चेन रिलायंस फाउंडेशन में करवाया गया है एडमिट और इस वक्त उनकी वाइफ नीतू कपूर उनके साथ हॉस्पिटल में है मौजूद। और इसी न्यूज को अब ऋषि कपूर के भाई रणधीर कपूर ने कंफर्म कर दिया है। रणधीर कपूर का कहना है, he is hospitalized, नीतू is by his side, he is not well। ऋषि कपूर लास्ट ईयर ही सितंबर महीने में कैंसर का इलाज करवाकर न्यूयॉर्क से इंडिया लौटे हैं। The actor was diagnosed with cancer in 2018 and underwent a marrow treatment and recovery that lasted 11 months and 11 days. All through, he had his wife Neetu Kapoor by his side. His son Ranbir Kapoor, along with his rumored girlfriend Alia, kept making regular visits to New York. ऋषि कपूर की तबीयत के बारे में अभी फिलहाल ज्यादा अपडेट सामने नहीं आई है, लेकिन कहा जा रहा है कि उन्हें डॉक्टर्स की निगरानी में रखा गया है। इस वक्त ऋषि कपूर की वाइफ नीतू कपूर भी उनके साथ हॉस्पिटल में है और कहा जा रहा है अब उनके बेटे रणबीर कपूर भी वहां पहुंच गए हैं। ऋषि कपूर की हालत को लेकर पूरी कपूर फैमिली परेशान है, लेकिन उन्हें ये भरोसा है कि ऋषि कपूर विल फाइट बैक। टाइम्स नाउ के साथ लास्ट ईयर एक्सक्लूसिव कॉन्वर्सेशन में ऋषि कपूर और नीतू कपूर ने डिटेल में कैंसर और इससे फाइट बैक करने की स्टोरी पर कहा था।
You've been away from India for the last 1 year and India's missed you.
We are just about short of 1 year, couple of weeks short of 1 year. But by the time I get back, it will be nearly a year.
It's a long vacation.
It's a long vacation. I think it's beautiful you think about it that way, but how's the last 11 and a half months been?
There were good days and there were bad days, and bad days were really bad. But then, you stay positive and then you just sail through, and then this is part of life. And you have to stay positive. I mean, that's what I learned in these 10 months. There's no way you can say, "Arey, kya ho raha hai? Theek ho jayega." And that's what kept us going. And we went, bad days we were home, and good days we went shopping, we went for lunches, we went to movies. There were so many people from India, and so it was just like, I feel it was just a long vacation.
You thought about it like that, Rishi?
See, when you say bad days, there's nothing I had some invasive surgery or I was in pain, nothing of that sort. It's just that I have a kind of a little problem. लोगों को गुर्दे की शिकायत होती है, they have a problem with liver, with their lungs, with the heart. I had a marrow problem. It was just one of those, and I had to get it rectified. So there is nothing such as a serious issue. The problem is that from one treatment to another treatment, there's a gap of 6 to 8 weeks, which you're doing nothing but, like she said, you're just having a long vacation. But you cannot travel. You can't fly. You cannot move around because you have long, distances, long hours in flying. So I've got to be here.
When did you really find out that there was a problem, and how did you react to it?
I was shooting in Delhi, and my white blood cells were low, and when it was diagnosed. That was in Delhi. I was told to immediately. My son and our personal friends came over to Delhi to pick me up physically and put me in the next aircraft to go to New York. And I said, why can I not be treated here or whatever? The doctors, who were very, very kind and nice and forthcoming, they said that the best would be you take him immediately to New York and have a look. It was diagnosed at a very early stage, thankfully. So we came here and I got to the doctors, and ever since then, I've been with them and they've been looking after me.
My first reaction was obviously very bad. I was devastated. My kids were devastated. We didn't know what to do. But then we thought to ourselves, okay, this is it. We have to deal with it. And where he's concerned, he was in denial. For the first 4-5 months, he was not himself. And I think when you start accepting that this is your issue, then you're stronger. I feel he's much stronger for the past maybe 5-6 months. The earlier 4-5 months were really, I could see that
he was like this, that today people fear, we have dramatized in films. We talk about cancer being a, very dreaded disease. Yes, it is. It is sad. But today, it's all treatable as well. If you diagnose in the right stage, it can be dealt with. And people should
But
not
the C word
hope.
psychologically.
But किसी ने जिंदगी भर तो जीना है नहीं. Somebody has got to, So if it's very curable, the
It's
doctors
curable
are terrible,
and also-
terrific.
And also, you have to have family support.
Yes.
The
I've had great support from Neetu, great support from my elder sister, Ritu, my niece, Natasha. They were real, my real anchors.
This is
kept
the
me
time.
going.
Well, Rishi Kapoor is a fighter, and we are sure he is going to recover and come back to entertain his fans.